people. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting video. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be reviewing the Revolution Glamour collection. I believe this is like their Christmas collection. I picked up quite a few things. I'm really excited to put them all to the test. Let's just go through first what I picked up and then we'll start putting it on my face. If you are new here, by the way, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please hit subscribe and join my little YouTube family, and please give this video a big thumbs up so I can do more of these in the future. But let's just get straight into this collection because I am excited. I've had this for quite a while. Let's just get into it. So the collection come with two different eyeshadow palettes and I picked up this one. So this is what the palette looks like. So I got the Megastar Crystal Luxe one. This retails for £12 and this is what she looks like. She is stunning. I preferred this one. There's two in the collection. So this one, like I said, is the Crystal, what did I say it was? Crystal Luxe one. And the other one that they have is called the Diamond Edition, which it just didn't seem like it had, don't know, I just feel like this one just shouted to me more. I also have a mascara, which I didn't pick up because I always end up having like a full like backlog of mascaras that I never get through, so I didn't pick up the mascara, but I did pick up one of the lipsticks and one of the highlighters. So the lipstick that I got just looks like this. This is the butterfly lipstick, and the lipsticks and the mascara come with a butterfly ring. So my lipstick is in the shade Extra Fancy. So the packaging just looks like this. It's really, really nice. And then you can actually take this ring off and you can obviously wear it as a ring. It's adjustable, so oh, we nearly dropped it then. It's adjustable, so obviously it will fit everybody. This is what it looks like. So that comes on the mascara as well. Personally, I wouldn't wear something like this and I would prefer it to be on the packaging of the lipstick, so I would just keep it on the lipstick. But this is what the shade Extra Fancy looks like. I love the fact that it's got the butterfly print on it as well. Beautiful. They also have some lip glosses in this range. The lip glosses have like a sparkly gem lid, but I do believe that they are like the normal shades that they already have, just obviously with the sparkly lid. So the other thing that I picked up is the Glamorous, is that what you call it? Yeah, Glamorous highlighter. Look at her, she's beautiful. So this is in the shade $1 Million, and this is just what she looks like. She is beautiful. Ooh. So let's just get straight into it. Let's start with the eyeshadow first. So I've just prepped my eye with my P. Louise base and my favourite brush ever. This is the PC29 Peaches and Cream brush, which is just amazing for tapping your base into place. I feel like it sets it a little bit more as well. Yeah, I just love it. It's just so much easier as well. But I want to do quite a natural look today, so I don't want my base to like grab the eyeshadows as intense. So I'm actually going to go in with the shade Base, which is this second colour down here. And I'm going to take that on the same brush that I used to apply my P. Louise base. And I'm actually going to use this to set the base ever so slightly. I'm going to use base to set the base. Hope that makes some sense. So I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush, totally different to when I do quite an intense eye look. I do want this to be a lot more natural and like an everyday with a pop of shimmer. That's the vibe I'm going for today. So I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush from Technic, I couldn't spit my word out then, and I'm going to start with this coffee shade here, just to give a light transition in the crease. I love the fact that this has a huge mirror in it as well, because I just feel like this is just really good to actually do your makeup in. So I'm literally just taking this and blending it into the crease and slightly up off the crease as well. So then I'm going to take a Spectrum brush. This is the B06 and I'm going to go in with the shade which is just this one up here. I was going to go in with this one, the Caramel, but I want a bit more of a reddy tone. So I'm going to go for this one. And then I can't decide what shimmer to go for. I feel like there's quite a lot of different looks that you could do with this palette just because of how many different shimmers there is in it as well. So I'm actually going to take this shade and put this into my crease more, like so, and just kind of blend that all the way across the eye, just in small circular motions. And I'm just going to build that up and then reblend with this brush until I'm happy with it. Okay, so now that that's all blended, I'm going to go in with a shimmer. I've been sat here for a good minute trying to work out which shimmer I'm going to go in with because there are some beautiful ones in this palette. And I think I'm going to go in with Juice. I really want to go in with Gold Leaf, but I'm just not feeling that today, and I feel like Juice would go so much better with the Extra Fancy lipstick as well. So I'm just going to apply it. Oh my god, that is stunning. I'm going to apply that with my finger and just kind of pop this, oh my god, onto the lid. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. I think this is like a perfect, obviously I know it is a Christmas collection, but it is perfect for obviously Christmas time, because look at that shimmer. Not that we're going to be going anywhere this year, no nights out and stuff like that, but we can always look glam at home. Ooh. See, I'm just going to apply this onto the first half of my lid, and then we're going to go in with a darker shade just on the outer corner to deepen it up. One of the things that I love about this palette is there is a lot of kind of darker matte shades that you can use. There's like a kind of like a more burgundy ready one. There's like obviously the caramel. There's also like this one here, which is like a really this one is a really dark, slightly browny dark one. And then we also have Witch, which is next to Juice, which is that kind of pitch black one as well. I love a palette that has like a black in it. I just feel like you just need it sometimes, like a nice matte dark brown and a black. It's just needed. I'm going to go in with one of the Obsession eyeshadow brushes, a little angled one, and I'm going to go in with that shade Chianti. I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's basically that darker kind of brown. I'm just going to tap off quite a lot of it just because I don't want it to be too intense. And I'm going to kind of put this on the outer part of the eye just to add a little bit of depth right next to obviously that glitter as well, so it will make the glitter, well, the foil eyeshadow just pop even more. I am honestly gobsmacked by this palette. I think it's beautiful. And then I'm going to take the brush that had the darker brown on it just to blend out these edges of the obviously more intense brown that we put down, just so that it does blend into the crease that little bit better. There has been a little bit of fallout, but it is just mainly from that foil eyeshadow, and it's probably because I put quite a bit on my finger, so obviously it's crumbled down a little bit, and also obviously it's going to be a little bit more mucky. Excuse me, hello, my face is here. So as I was saying before, my camera had a little meltdown and couldn't recognise my face. It's probably because I applied it with my fingers. Obviously it's going to be messy anyway, and obviously it is a foil, more like a foil texture, so it's going to crumble a little bit, but I honestly do not care. For the look that it's given me, I'm not bothered at all. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then we'll come back and we'll try the highlighter and we'll try the lipstick. So I've done the rest of my makeup. Let's try the highlighter first. The packaging, first of all, is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this is obviously what it looks like. I'm just going to be going in with my Peaches and Cream PC28 brush. Ooh, the formula looks beautiful. And I'm just going to apply this on all of my normal high points, top of my cheeks, nose, top of my lip. And I think I'm going to use this as, oh my god, beautiful. I think I'm going to use this as well as a brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight as well. It actually looks wet on the skin. It doesn't even look like it's got loads of glitter in it. It seems like it's quite a nice formula that just literally blends into the skin. Like, it would be one that I'd happily put on top of blusher. Sometimes I have like highlighters where I'm like, actually I need to put you on first and then tone you down a little bit with my blusher. But this one, just beautiful. Oh my god. That highlighter retails for £8, by the way. I'm not too sure if I said. For the lips, I'm going to start by putting on the Spice Up Your Life lip liner by Doll. So that is the lip liner on. So we're going to go in with the Extra Fancy lipstick now. I'm not going to lie, this butterfly ring gets in the way when you're trying to hold it. So as pretty as it is, it's a bit annoying as well. Yeah, I've had to take that butterfly off because that is just driving me insane. Like, I need to hold it properly to put it on. But this is perfect for that kind of just slightly lighter than that lip liner. So that is what that looks like. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed with how this has turned out. I'm just going to quickly put some mascara on, and I think I might put some on eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and I'll be back in a sec and we'll round this all together. But I'm obsessed. Obsessed. That was just not needed. So this is the finished look. I'm not gonna lie, I am obsessed with this palette. I did buy it just to try it out for my video, but my god, this is actually gonna be my go-to palette, like I already know. For the palette, for £12, I do think it's a little bit pricey for like the palette. You can get like the Makeup Obsession Honey Lust palette for the same price, and that one's huge, it's got like 30 plus eyeshadows in it. However, I honestly think this is worth the £12 price tag, because there's actually quite a lot of different combinations that you could do with this. Not just obviously the one that I've got on today. There's so many different variations of glitters and shimmers and foils and loads of matte shades as well, so you can make quite a lot of looks out of this. I'm honestly so impressed, obsessed with how it's turned out. As for the highlighter, I think that is beautiful as well. I feel like it's just kind of, I don't know, like just blended into the skin. It's, you can tell it's there because obviously it's a very blinding highlight, but it's not like loads of shimmer on my cheek. It just looks like a wet formula. It is beautiful. Oh my god. I really like the lipstick. I'm definitely not going to be using this little ring because it just gets in the way when you're holding the lipstick. I think for the mascara it'd be totally fine, but obviously it is like an adjustable detachable one, so you can wear it yourself if you want to. I personally won't. I will put it back on lipstick just so that obviously it looks all cute and stuff, but when it comes to actually applying, I would take this off because it just gets, how I hold it, I don't know if it's because I'm left-handed, I don't know, but how I hold it, I like to have like a good grip. Oh, my dirty mind. Anyways, moving on. So yeah, I would highly recommend picking up this collection. I don't know what the other palette is like, but this palette is spot on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe because it really does help out my channel, and I'll hopefully see you for a brand new video very soon. I'm uploading absolutely loads recently, so I'll hopefully see you then. Love you so much. Bye guys.